Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give complete explanation about multiple job opportunities from all over India. So watch the video till end, don't skip it out. If you skip, you will miss so many content. Hardly 8 IT MNCs started their hiring for freshers from all over India. So watch the video till end. If you are not subscribed to our channel, just subscribe and like my channel. So let's go to the page. The first one going to be in KPIT started their hiring. So here they mentioned field mandatory things, star things and all. You should mandatory filled out. This is first your college roll number which they mention, and your college name, and your college and your first name and your last name, date of birth, email ID, password, and the PAN card no need. Aadhaar card you can directly select out, and your state, and the 10th mark should be your percentage as well as 10th mathematics marks. If you are from out of 100, if you have scored 80 mark means that will be 80%. You can directly give 80 here. So don't confuse. Likewise in 12th also they mentioned, if you are applied about 12th or yes, you just want to give no based upon diploma, you just want to provide here. And here they mentioned if you have done 12th means they will ask you 10th, likewise 10th what they ask the max, likewise they will ask you 12th English mark as well as mathematics marks and year of passing, which you are from 200 out of, if you wrote, you should convert it into 100 by divided by 2. If you scored 140, you can convert it by 2 and you should place 70% here. If you are from 10 CGP, you just want to convert it into your percentage as per your norms which the college provided to you. Likewise mathematics marks they will ask you, so you just want to fill out here. And the qualification which is UG, diploma, post graduation, all kind of things they will ask you. So you just want to select which one suits for a diploma or graduation. Based upon you can select. And how can you find a drive? That just give job Naurkri circuit. And the coding exam what you are going to wrote there in the exam, for that they are asking about the code which is C, C++, Java as well as machine learning, all kind of thing they are preferred here. And here should be, you should upload your resume and the passport size with background white, and you just want to apply here. In this you are having any doubt, you just comment me, I will surely help you. The thing you will feel difficult here 10th and 12th, so I am clearly explain about it, so don't worry. 200 means converted into 100 divided by 2. If you are from CGPA they mention converted into percentage and divided by 2, and you just place it here. And the next one going to be a customer associate from BE, BTech, ME, MTech from BSc, Chhattisgarh from all over India. They won't charge any amount guys, don't pay any amount. If you pay any amount means that is 100% you are losing your amount, which you just want to apply here. I am interested, it will go to another page, smart recruiters. So you just want to apply. This is what the company, the company where are from Bangalore Electronic Cities, Chhattisgarh, and you can visit multiple job opportunities. This is for completely for freshers from BE, BTech, ME, MTech students. So the skill set for every IT company, good communication skill should be there. Apart from that, CDNO and TCP networking, CNA, this is for EC department things and all. So you can start apply here. And the next one going to be which is the foremost company, building careers at Zach Keller started their hiring, which is the thing. Data production transformed from all over India about the building careers of Zach Keller, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all kind of students apply for this role. And this is what they from Blindly started their hiring for freshers from Pune. 14 days before they started their hiring. BE, BTech, MT, MTech, MCA 0 to 1 year of experience. Any language in coding you should be preferred, Java, JavaScript, .NET, and ASP.NET, REST, ASP, React, all kind of things you should be very skilled. And every IT company requires verbal and communication skill. And the thing which is now we are going to see will be Medplus started their hiring for freshers from all over India. This is what they mentioned here. 18th October is your test date. This is for completely Hyderabad location. They are mentioned about the Hyderabad location, where are they from location, and 2.4 LPF for the fresher student, and 1,75,000 they are provided for the 1 year completion of after joining. They mention the location and the sample question paper also they have provided here. So you just start apply here and to mention the center which suits nearer to your location and the navigation location, everything they can mention. Odisha, and this is for Nagpur, Telangana. This all the 3 states they mention for the north side. Still south not announced, so if south announcements are surely provided here. For that only I am provided. Please subscribe and like my channel guys. And the next one going to be Medplus Power started their hiring for freshers, B.Tech, M.Tech from electronics and communication engineering, CS, IT, all can apply for the role. Good academics from the students and equal opportunities, required skills should be there. All kind of mandatory things you should be ready. Candidate to join immediately as per the preferred location. So you just want to create an account in e-litmus and start applying guys. So this all the companies started their hiring. If you want any kind of jobs, you just comment me. I will surely help you for providing a jobs. You can share this video to your friends. If you want to subscribe, it will be helpful for you for getting more jobs links from our channel. So thanks for watching this guys.